Very few solved murders and no positive message for our youth. To me, it shows our community that we can murder someone and get away with it. I thought the justice system was designed to work for us and not against the people, but in most cases, it has been proven otherwise. So I chose to turn my anger into a positive vibe, and we came up with the Isaac Jesse Turner Jr. Foundation to help our youth know as well as see that they don't have to live life by the street code. The mission for the foundation is providing a solution as well as an alternative for at-risk youth growing up and learning life from the streets. I have given 2 events that was very successful. Now the tools that I need to make my foundation successful is volunteers with teaching credentials, funding, donations, as well as grant writing. I would like to start off with the GED preparation because education is very important to me, and they would need this to further themselves in life. I'm asking for help to move the foundation further along. I'm a daughter who could not assist her mother, but I would not be a mother who could not assist her child nor the child of someone else. Now my son was gunned down by someone that he knew, and it was said that it was self-defense. There's no self-defense. My life has been destroyed because of the violence in Oakland. Not just my son, but the sons and fathers of other kids. You know, if you haven't walked in our shoes, you guys really don't know our pain. You guys can sympathize with us all day long. But when we get up in the morning, or when we having dinner or holiday dinners, and we know that there's someone missing, it hurts us very much, very much. And we need help. We need help to make this known. We have to stop the violence in Oakland. It has to stop. We are losing our kids. We're not losing older people who done lived 98 years. I buried my son at 17 years of age. It was no way I should have been burying my son. No way at all. And all I'm asking is that we stop the violence. If we're going to stand for one, we need to stand for all. Not just because somebody got killed by a different race. If we're going to stand for one, stand for all. We lose kids every day. I know there's mothers out here and parents out here that have lost their kids, but we don't see nobody. They sweep us under the rug as if we're not here. But no, we're here and we have voices. And me, I'm one that's not going away at all. I'm not going away. So you guys will see more of me. Thank you.